Okay guys, this is the MT4 and its component. I'll be taking you through the most important things you need to know with your MT4 because this is the most important app you'll be needing. Follow the cursor so that I'll be explaining step by step the most important things you need to know with the MT4. You get better with time. The more you come to the MT4, the more you discover new things and the more you get better with it. You could see the currency pair displayed on the screen. That's where the currency pairs are displayed on the screen, and this area represents price. As you can see, that's one of the most important things you need to know. This area represents price, the current price we are. This area represents prices, different prices, and this area represents time and price theory. So that's what this chart is made up of, a time and a price theory. And this is the period separator. This line represents the period separator. It means that this is the 4-hour time frame. It means that in between these two lines, each candle formed here takes 4 hours to form. That's what it means, that in this interval of time, each candle formed in between them makes 4 hours. This is the different time frame. This is the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and a minute charts. It means that the time interval for a candle to form in between. Make sure that that red place is highlighted. Yeah, the candle is formed in 4 hours. That's what the time frame represents. Now this is the daily time frame. Each candle is formed within a day, so the time interval represents 1 month. That means we have 20 candles in between them. Yeah, 20 candles in between them. That means for a day we have one candle that will form and it makes up a month. That means we have about 20 candles in between the period separators. This is the daily time frame. As you can see, this area represents the different currency pairs. If you want to see all of them, you right click and you click on show all. You get all the currency pairs you need. If you want to pull one out, you could right click on files, you click on new charts, you pull out any currency pair of your choice. There's no network on this laptop, so it's not going to highlight, but this is how you pull out currency pairs of your choice. In case of I say pull out GBP USD, this is how you do it. This is the Euro USD. Make sure you highlight this red place all the time. That's what will make your chart flexible. Chart, you can see properties. In case of you want to change the color, you don't like the black and green stuff, you can actually do it this way. You click on that place, you click on properties, you click on color, and you have to change it to, I like black on white. This is how I like my charts to be, black on white. This is how I like my charts to always be black on white. So this is it. You can have your own different preference. The white candle represents the bullish and the black candle represents the bearish candle. I think this is basic forex concept everybody needs to know. The bullish and the bearish candle, this is how it looks and this is what it represents. So play with your MT4 on a demo account. You get better and better over time. You discover new things, even things I won't be talking in this video. So this is where you get your different indicators. This is how you search for different, if you want to be an indicator based trader, this is the area you get different indicators in the chart. This is the place you get your indicators. You can see this is where you also get your time frame, different time frames. Those who do top down analysis, you can always move around time frames to analyze the market. There's no network. You would have seen the area where it shows that you have an ongoing trade and check your account balance, but there's no network. But if you have a network, you would see it for yourself. This is my own account. This should be a real account. This is it, guys. Play with your MT4, you get better on the demo account. This is if you want to make your screen to be full, this is what you do. If you want to take it back, you click on full screen, you take it back. This is how you get your screen full. Make sure that this red play button is highlighted. Don't highlight this one, because if you highlight it, your chart will be stagnant. So unhighlight it. Make sure it's not highlighted. The one that should be highlighted should be this red one. That's the one that needs to be highlighted. Always keep it highlighted to make easy movement of your charts. So this is it, guys. You need to always practice. This is the candlestick chart. This is the bar stick. This is the bar chart, but we don't use bar charts. We use the candlestick charts, and this is the line chart. But if you want to use the line chart or the bar chart, fine, but traders mostly use the candlestick chart. That's what almost everybody is using, and that's what I think you should use to analyze the market, but you're free to be different. This is it, guys. It's very, very easy. The more you come to the MT4, the better it gets. This is the most important app you'll be needing for your forex trading journey. So you discover a whole lot of things on your own. I won't be saying everything in this video. The more you come to this app, the more you get familiar with it. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Very important app, a very good app, very easy to use. Whether MT4 TradingView or MT5, it's almost the same thing with slight differences. With very slight differences. It's very easy to use. Very easy to use. MT4, very important. I've tried my best to tell you the most important components and things you need to know with the MT4. The MT4 things there are many things you're yet to discover, and I believe you do that on your own. So this is the MT4, the time and price charts. That's what you're plotting against. We are looking for time interval where opportunities will form. That's what we are looking for, and this is where we analyze the market. So guys, I hope you find value in this video. Let's meet in the next video.
Media.